Hey guys, I'm Chris with Dolphin Construction. We're here at Captain's house taking care of another roof. We're going back with an Atlas Pinnacle Pristine. It's going to be the burnt sienna color, as you can see up there. It's going to have the high definition ridge. We got plenty of guys up there. We got a guy up there that's also our supervisor. You can see him in that orange shirt. Stands out like a sore thumb. We supervise every single job that we do from start to finish. We do a pictorial report on every job that we do, start to finish as well. We install ice and water barrier in all of our valleys and around all penetrations, especially fireplaces. Your vents and heat stacks and your pipe boots, these are all what's called penetrations, and they need an ice and water barrier installed around them. And what that does is it helps make it leak proof for the most part. We install a D-style drip edge. We do that around the entire perimeter as well. It's a better drip edge versus your A-style drip edge. Give me a call. Happy to send you a picture of that if you're curious to know what I mean by it. And we install a synthetic underlayment. We also remove all the felt paper on our roofs. I'm going to walk over here and let you see. I guess you're going to walk with me here for a second. Well, it's a beautiful day out. All right. So here on this side, we're getting there. All the felt paper removed. Is that necessary? Well, not really. Just depending on the age of the house. If the house is old, you should remove all the felt paper so that you can verify the decking underneath and see if it's in good shape or not. And if it's not, you replace it. A lot of the houses that are old, built in the 2000s and so forth, you can leave the felt paper for the most part. Chances are their decking's going to be fine, but it's a good habit to just remove it and check it out. All right, well, if I can help anybody out, give me a call, 316-210-9543. I sure appreciate your time. God bless.